Hello and welcome to Quick Tips. In this video, I'll show you how to design completely free website. We will use completely free theme, plugins and templates to create professional website. At the end of this video, you will be able to design websites for shops, schools, restaurants, gym, spa, businesses and more. And it will be absolutely free. All you need is WordPress, as we will be designing the website in WordPress only. So let's start with the video. So here I am on the WordPress website. It's a completely new installation and I am already logged into the WordPress dashboard of this website. You can see that there are no plugins installed on this website, no pages. These are the sample pages and only one default blog post. And this WordPress installation is using the default theme that comes with the WordPress installation. So now we are going to create a completely free website using a completely free theme. The name of the theme is Rishi Theme. I'll give you the link in the description box. So I'm going to that website and you will see that this is a free theme that you can use, and there are many starter templates that we are going to use and create a completely new website. Now we are on the website called as Rishi Theme, and from here we will download a free theme. Now let me tell you more about this Rishi theme. This theme is lightning fast, lightweight and highly customizable. So when you use this theme, the speed of your website will be lightning fast. We will go through all the settings of this theme and we will also test the speed of the website created using this theme. Okay, now let's see the features. It says lightning fast, the Google page speed insights 100%, and mobile pingdom and geometrics. We will go through all these settings when we finish with the installation of the theme, and when we create the complete website we will check the speed of the website also. Now these are the plugins that can be integrated in this theme: Elementor, Rank Math, WooCommerce, Yoast. These are the basic plugins and are really very useful, and we are going to use these plugins while creating the website. Library of pre-built starter templates. So these are the free templates that we are going to use to create a website. The theme is already free and there are some starter templates that we can use to create a website, and these starter templates are free. And there are some templates that are pro where you need to pay for the template. So we will go through that also. Customize everything. You can customize the color, you can customize the font, and you can customize the blog settings, page settings. Everything is there. We will go through all of them. They have given us the header builder as well as the footer builder. So we can customize the header and footer of your website. Live editing using Elementor, and drag and drop builder. Advanced styling options is there. Colors, customize the color palette is there. Advanced typography option is there. We can choose different font. We can use the Google fonts also. Now layout option, we can change the layout of the page, we can change the layout of the post, and there are some pre-built layouts also. This theme is compatible with WooCommerce also. If you want to create a shop, online shop, you can use WooCommerce, and this theme is compatible with WooCommerce also. Now these are the more features of this theme. Now let's see the starter sites. These are the starter templates that we can use. It says 45 plus ready to import websites. We are going to use one of them, and we can see that they have templates in many different categories: business, creative, education, events, portfolio, people and services, non-profit, health and beauty, food and restaurants. This is a pro. If you want to use premium websites or a premium template, you will need to go for the pro option. So this is the pricing for the pro option. This is annual, and this one, if you change it to lifetime, these are the pricing for lifetime pro feature. So if you have only one website, you can buy the pro feature for $99, and that will be for one site. And it says 20 plus free starter sites, all premium starter sites, and these are the pro features that will come with the pro account. Professional is for 5 sites and agency unlimited sites, and that is for $299 lifetime fees. And we are not going to use the pro account. We will be using the completely free theme and completely free template to create our website. Now let's go to features. Now it says build a stunning website faster than ever before. Now these are the performances. No jQuery, less than 75 KB, loads in just half a second. Now you can go through these features of the website. Lazy load images, that feature is also included. Images loading animation type is there. Design layouts, header and footer builder. So these are all the features of the theme that we are going to use for free. All right, here they have the support, video tutorials are there, documentation is there, and account is there. All right, now let's start with this. We are going to download the free theme. So click on this option, free download. Now here you will need to enter your email address, name and the last name. So I'll just enter my email address and other details. All right, now click on download now. So it has created an account for us, and these are the details. Payment is nothing, subtotal is 0, total price is 0. This is their license key. Now this is the theme that we need to download. Okay, so this is the basic theme that we are going to install first. So click on it, and here is the download option. Save it on your computer. Okay, so what we have done, we have downloaded the basic Rishi theme and we have it saved on our computer. Okay, now here you can see that theme has been downloaded. Right, now let's go back to the WordPress dashboard and go to themes, then go to add new. So we are going to add a new theme that we have just downloaded. Okay, now click on the option upload theme. Here browse the theme that we have downloaded, that is Rishi. Click on open and click on install now. Now it is installing the theme. It may take some time to install the theme. All right, so the theme is installed. Click on activate. All right, now it says thank you for installing the Rishi theme. Now it says install Rishi companion. So we need to install some of the companions of this theme. So click on it. All right, it has been installed. Now you will be on the dashboard of the Rishi theme here. Now these are the different sections of this theme: site identity, color settings, typography settings. These are the settings that we can change on this theme. So we will go through all these settings one by one. This section is starter sites. So from here we are going to install one of the template. These are the extensions. Performance, this extension is to improve the performance. We will go through that later. Now useful plugins. Now here is the list of useful plugins that we will need to install. So let's start with Elementor page builder. This is the page builder that we will be using to edit the pages of the website. So click on install. Now click on activate. Now this is one of the add-on for the Elementor. Click on install. Click on activate. If you are creating a shop and if you are using WooCommerce, then you will need to install the WooCommerce. Right now I'm not going through the WooCommerce. We will be creating a simple website for business, so this one is not necessary. Contact form 7, click on install. So using this plugin we will be able to build contact forms on the website. Click on activate. All right, now we have installed the required plugins for this website. All right, now let's go back to the starter sites. Here is the option install Rishi starter templates. Click on it. Now we are installing the starter template and we will go with the free template. Now here you will see the option to choose free or premium, and these are the categories of the templates. You see the pro is here. If you click on it, preview, you will see the preview of the templates. So this is how the website will look when you install this template. So these are the pro. If you click on it, it will say that get pro. So you will need to go for the Pro option, and you will need to purchase the Pro account to use this particular template. So we are not using the Pro, so let's go back and select free. Now here you will see all the free templates that we can use to create the website. Alright, now you can click on preview and you will see the template, how the website is going to look. You can check it from there. Any template you can simply click on preview and it will open in the new tab. So based on the website that you want to create, based on the business that you want to build the website for, you can choose the template. Okay, now I'm going to choose this one. So in this video I'm going to create a website for the construction business, and this is the template that I'm going to use. Okay, now you can see the other previews here. Now I think the Rishi Theme has done very good job with the free templates. Alright, so let's see how we can install this template. Alright, so this is the template. Click on this option, construction. Now it says that import complete site or import only home page. Now the beauty of this theme, the Rishi Theme, is that you can import the complete website, or you can import only the part of that particular template. Let's say if you like this home page, you can import only the home page. If you like this work template, you can install only the work template. Now you can go to other template and you can import any other page of the other templates also. So it can be combination of various templates also. So in this case we are going to import the complete site. Okay, now we have previously not imported any site, so leave this unchecked and click on import. So now it's going to import the template files. The beauty of this theme is that it is going to create the pages and posts automatically. Now in case of Elementor template kit, you can import the Elementor template kit only. It will not create the pages. However, in Rishi Theme, it will create the content also. It will create the pages for your website also. So whatever pages you see here on this page, on this template, all these pages are going to be created automatically by Rishi Theme. So you don't even need to create the pages also. I'll show you how to create new pages if you want to add more pages, and how to use the templates on the new pages also. So we will go through all the settings one by one. It is still importing. All right, it says that it is imported successfully. So click on view site. All right, now you can see that everything has been imported and the complete website with the demo template is ready here. Everything is there as shown in the demo. All right, now let's check the pages. Let's close this one, go to pages. Now you can see that all the pages are created automatically. Now let's go to posts. Now you can see that the posts are also ready. So this one is the dummy post. You can trash it, you can delete that one. All right, so these are the posts created by the theme. Now go to settings. Okay, so this is the name of the website, so I'm going to change it to my website name, the dummy website name, and click save changes. All right, now go to reading. Now you can see that the theme has already selected the home page and the blog page for your website, so no need to do anything here. Go to permalink. Now just change the permalink settings to post name and click save changes. Now let's go to the menus, go to appearance and go to menus. Now let's say the menus that are created by the theme. Okay, you can see that different menus are already created. Just select the primary menu. All right, so this is the primary menu that is already created by the theme. Here is the complete website. Now we are going to customize the header. This is the header section. You see this, the top bar, then the logo and this contact information, and this is the menu bar. This complete section is header section, and if you go at the bottom, this is the footer section. So we need to customize this header and footer section according to our business. So let's see how we can customize this header and footer section first. Go back to the dashboard of the website, go to appearance, and under appearance go to Rishi Theme. First we will customize the header section. So you're on the dashboard of the Rishi Theme. Now here you will see header builder, click on it. Alright, so the header builder has been opened. You can see the structure of the header here, and this is the actual header. Now this is the top row. You see this in this color is the top row. This is the second row, the main row. Here you will see logo and contacts, and this is the third row, that is the menu bar and this button. So you can edit your header from here. So this is the first option, is the social icons. Now you can just move your cursor here and you will see this pencil icon, click on it. Now here you will see Facebook, Twitter, the Insta and LinkedIn option. So from here you can edit these social media icons. If you want, you can add, or if you want, you can disable them. Let's see if you want to disable, or if you do not want to show this, you can click on this eye icon and it will disable it. When you click on it again, it will enable it again. If you want, you can disable or you can delete from here. So from this drop down box, you can select any of the social media icon and click on add, and you will see that icon added here. Now from here you can change the size of the icon. It is set to 12. I'll change it to 15, and you will see that the icon size has been increased. Now this is the spacing between the icons. You can change that also. I have changed it to 20. Now the colors. So the custom colors are set to this icon currently. You can change it to official colors, and you will see the official colors of these icons. So let's change it back to custom. The shape of the icon, right now it says none. You can change it to rounded, square, and from here you can also change the color of the icon also. Okay, so let's change it back to none. And visibility, you can set the visibility, the label visibility. Right now it's only the icon. If you want the name of this icon, you can simply check this one and it will show the name of the icons also, the label of the icons. Let's now uncheck it. Now from here you can change the color of the icons. You can see the color has been changed. So this is how you can change the color of the icons. So this is the desktop version, and this is the tablet version, and if you check this one, it will be the mobile version. So this is how it will look on the mobile. So let's change it back to the desktop. General settings, and these are the icons. Let me remove this one, and you will see that it has been removed. Let's change the color back to the white again, and the color is white now. Okay, so this is all about the social media icons. I will show you how to add the links to these icons also. Now this part is the menu, and it is set to menu 2. Okay, click on edit and you will see this shows the menu, and the menu is selected default. Change it to menu 2. Alright, so the menu has been changed. You can see the menu here. Go back to dashboard, appearance, and then go to menus, and you will see all the menus here. I have just selected menu number 2, that is only the terms and condition and privacy policy. Alright, so the menu has been set here. Now this is the logo. You will see it here. Click on the icon. Alright, so this is the current logo. I want to change this logo, so I'll click on it and I'll upload a new logo here. I have one logo created, a simple logo is created, so I'm just uploading the new logo here. Click on select. Alright, so you will see the new logo is here. So this is how you can change the logo. Now this is option is contacts. So this is the option contacts. Alright, so when you click on it, you will see all the contacts here. This is the phone, this is the working hours, this is the email address. If you want, you can delete any one of them. Let me delete this work hours, and you will see that working hours has been deleted. If you want to edit, you can simply click on it. This is the text. Let's have a talk. You will see it here. This is the phone number, and this is the link to the phone number. Right now it shows the dummy phone number here. The second option, email address. So it says email us now. You will see it here, and this is the email address, and this is the link. When someone clicks on this, it will go to that link. That means it will create an email. Now if you want to add any other option, you can simply click on this drop down box and add new option here. Let me add address. Click on add. Now click on it and it will show address. This is the street name. I'll just mention some dummy address here. Alright, and if you want to link it to Google address, Google Map, you can simply put the Google Map link here. Now you can see that the address has been added here. Okay, so this is how you can change the contacts option. Now this is the size of the icon. Right now it is set to 22. I'll change it to 25, and you will see that the size of the icon has been increased. This is the spacing between the items, and this is the size, the shape of the icon, square. Now go to designs, and from here you can change the color settings of the contacts. Right now you can see that the icon is set to yellow. You can change it to whatever color you want. It will change that to that color, and this is how it will look on. Right now it is disabled. This option is disabled for mobile header. I'll show you the mobile header later. Okay, so we are on the desktop header. Okay, so this was the contacts option. Now this is the menu, the third row. Now click on edit. Okay, so right now it is set to default. Change it to main menu, that is menu 1. Alright, so the menu has been changed, and you can see the color of the icons that we changed before is also changed here. So this is how you can set the menu in the header. Now this is the button. You can see get a quote is written here. The URL, you can enter the URL here. It will be the contact page. You can simply copy the link of the contact page and you can paste it here. So whenever someone clicks on this button, it will go to the contact page. If you want to remove any part of this header section, you can simply go to that and click on this X icon and it will go. Now you can see that the button has been removed. Now if you want to add a new part, a new section to this header, you can simply select any section that you want from here and put it here. This add search bar. Now you can see that the search bar has been added here. So this is how you can edit the header section of the website. So once you make any changes to the header or any section of the website, click on publish so that the settings will be saved. And now let's see. Now you can see that the new settings, the new header is there, the new logo, the new menu is here, the search bar is here, address is there. The header has been updated. Now let's see how to edit the footer section of this website. So let's go back, and here you will see the option under customize. You will see the option footer. Okay, or the other way, to go back to dashboard, then go to appearance, then go to Rishi Theme, and then go to footer builder. From here you can also change the footer section. It will go to the same page here. Okay, so this is the footer. If you go down, you will see the footer section here. Okay, you will see this footer section. The top row here is blank. Okay, so there is nothing in this top row. If you want any section or if you want anything in this top row, you can add the element here in the section, in the top section. So this is the main row, and here you will see it says widget 1. Where will you see this widget 1? Let's go back to the dashboard, then go to appearance, and under appearance you will see widgets. Go to widgets. Okay, now here you will see footer 1, and this is the widget 1. For the footer 1, this is the widget 1. So if you go here, you will see what you have in this widget. You will see that here. So from here you can edit this footer. This is the widget, this is the section that we are editing, and this is the widget one, and this is the image. So I'm going to replace this image. Click on replace, open from media library. We have already uploaded it to media library. Open it from there, select the new logo, and this is the text. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. I'll just add the company name here. Okay, and click on update. Now let's refresh it and check it. Okay, you will see the new logo and the text editor here. Now this is the second option in the same widget box, that is socials. You will see the social icons there the same way that we did in the header section. Now this is the widget 2, and here in widget 2 we do not see anything. This is the navigation menu, but there is nothing in it, so nothing is selected here. So let's try this one, menu 2, and click update. Now refresh it. Now you will see the number 2, the menu 2 is here, the links in the menu 2 is here. Alright, so this is how you can edit the widget 4, and this is the contacts, the last column of the footer. Click on edit and you will see the same options here. Here you will see phone, work hours and email, phone, work hours and email. So similarly you can change these contact details also. If you want to delete anything, you can delete. If you want to add, you can add it from here in this section. Now this is the bottom section, the copyright section. Click on this pencil icon and from here you can change the copyright section. It says copyright. Let's delete this one. Current year is there, and let me change the name of the company. Okay, now click on publish. Okay, we have edited the footer. Let's refresh it. Okay, now you will see the new name is here and the copyright section is here. So this is how you can edit the footer section of this website. Alright, so we have edited the footer. Now let's go back. This is the footer section. Let's go back. Now the next option is typography. Go to typography. This typography will give you an option to change the font of your website. You can select different fonts for your website. Right now this template is using this font. If you want to change it, you can click on it and search for the font that you like. Here you will see there are many fonts that you can use. There are many Google fonts that you can also use. Let's try this one, Roboto. And when you change it, it will change the font on your website. So you can see that there is some change in the font also, and it is now using the new font, that is Roboto. And this is one of the Google font. Alright, so let's change it back to what it was before. Let's refresh it and it will discard the changes. I go back to typography and you will see this font is back here. Now this is the font for the heading. Now you can see that this is the heading, and font for heading is different, that is Poppins. Now the heading 2 is also different. So all the heading fonts are using the same font, that is Poppins. If you want, you can change these fonts and you can use different font for different heading type. And this is the base font for this text. Alright, so this is how you can change the font on your website. Now let's go back, and the next option is colors. Okay, now they have given you some global color palettes and you can use any one of the palette for your website. Now you can see that you can change the color template of your website. So they have given different palettes. You can use their predefined palettes to change the color. Let's try this second one. Now you can see that it has been changed. Here you will see different color also. Let's try the other one. Let's try this one. And you can see that the color has been changed. Okay, so this is how you can change the color palette of your website. Now if you want to change this particular color, you can simply click on it, and from here you can change the color. You can see the changes here. Alright, so this is how you can change the color of your template. So let's set it back to what it was before. to the default one. Okay, now here are different settings. The basic font color. So this is the basic font color. If you want to change it, you can click on it and you can select any color and you will see this font has been changed. So let's change it back to what it was before. Heading color. This is the heading. Let's change the color of the heading. You can use any one of the predefined, or you can select anyone from this and you will see the color has been changed. So let's change it back. That was the heading color. This is the link color. Let's see if we have any link here. I guess this one is the link. And let's change this to this one. Let's see if we have any link on the page. Alright, so we do not have any link on this home page. However, it will change the color of the link. So let's set it back to what it was before. The text selection color. This is the text selection. It shows yellow color. If you want, you can change it to let's say blue. You can see that there has been changed. Okay, so this is how it changes. Let's set it back. Okay, all right. I forgot to show you the header section for the mobile, because in this theme the setting for the desktop header and the mobile header will be different. So they are using different headers for desktop and mobile. So let's go back to the header, and here you will see the option for mobile header. So this is how the mobile header will look on this website. So you will see this social icon is here, and main row is blank, and in the bottom row they have logo and this menu. This is the menu. Okay, you can customize the menu from here. You can change the logo also, the icon for the menu from here. Okay, now you can see that desktop header has different option. The top bar is different, the bottom bar is different, and mobile header is different. So if you want, you can add any section, but that will not look good. Let me show you. Okay, let me try contacts in the middle row. Now you can see that I have added contacts on the mobile header. However, this does not look good on the mobile. Now you can see that this is how it will look on the logo, and this one looks really bulky. So what I'll do, I'll remove these contacts. Alright, so this short header looks good. No need to add a lot of things on the mobile header. So as I said earlier, the header for desktop and mobile are different. Alright, so let's move on to the next option, that is layouts. Okay, so this is the container. I believe that the default settings are good, so you don't really need to change anything here. The sidebar settings, you will see the sidebar percentage. It says 28%. The sidebar will be shown on the blog page. So let's go to the blog page and see the sidebar here. So this is the sidebar. This is the width of the sidebar that shows 28%. And this is the layout. This will be on the right side and this will be on the left side. So whatever you want, you can change it. If you want to disable it, you can simply disable it here. Okay, this is the design. The font color is here. The widget title font size is here. The link color is there. So from here you can change the settings of the sidebar. Okay, now the next one is button. Okay, now the button. Let's see if you can find any button here. Let's go back to home page. Okay, so this is the button, and this is the design of the button. You will see the color. The text color is black. The hover color is white. The background color is yellow. You can change the color of the background from here. This is how it will look. And the text color, you can change it. Okay, so we have changed the default settings. So let's change it back to what it was before. Okay, so this is how you can play with the color settings of the button. These settings will remain for entire website. However, you can change each button when you edit the page using the Elementor. Now this one is a scroll to top button. You will see it here. Okay, so when you click on it, it will scroll your website to the top. Now if I disable it, so when I disable it, you will not see that scroll to top button, and your customer or your visitor will have to scroll to the top manually. So I'll suggest you to keep it activated. Okay, now you will see that button is back here. Now this one is the setting for the 404 pages. Whenever the customer land on the page which is actually not the part of your website, which is not available on your website, or maybe because of bad URL, they may go to the 404 pages, and this is the layout of the 404 page. So you can add the logo, logo on the 404 page, and after that it will show the blog post of your website. So the customer will not go to any 404 page, they will go to the page where it will show the blog of your website. So let's go back and let's publish these settings. Okay, now let's try any random URL and let it go to the 404 page. Now you will see your logo is here and the error is here, and you will see all the blog posts on the 404 page. So this is how the 404 page will look like. Okay, all right, now let's go back to the customize. The layout is done. Now let's see, the next option is social networks. So you see these social media icons, you need to add the link to your social media account here. So right now it will not show any link here. You will see that there is no link added. Okay, so let's add the link. Okay, I'm just using the default website. You can add the actual link of your profile of your social media account, and let's publish it. Now let's refresh it. Now you can see that the link has been added to these two icons. All right, so this is how you can add the links to your social media icons. Now this one is SEO. This is if you want to enable braid composition on the blog post, you can just enable it before title or none. So now let's go back to the website and let's see how we can edit the pages of your website. So let's start with the home page of the website. Right now we are on the home page of the website and we are already logged into the WordPress dashboard. So now you will see the option here, edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. So now we are editing the home page of the website. So one by one we will go through all the pages, and I'll show you how to add new pages and use the templates. We will go through the blog post and blog page also, and all the other pages. So now we are starting with the home page of the website. Okay, so now we are on the Elementor and we are going to edit the home page of this website. So now here you will see different sections of your website, and this website is using Elementor. So Elementor is one of the best web page builder, and I really like to use this plugin on all my websites. Okay, so these are the different sections and we will see how to edit these sections. So start with the banner. Now this section, click on, right now it shows this image and I want to change it. So what I'll do, I'll click on this icon, I'll select this section, the entire section, and this is actually a background image. So go to style of this section and here you will see the background image. Click on this and upload a new image. I'll use another image. Okay, now click on insert media. Now you will see that the background image has been changed. Click on it, this one, and you will see this how the image will look. However, this does not look good, so here are the option to make changes to the background image. I'll change it. All right, done. So we have changed the background image. Now this is the, so these are the two sections of this banner, and on this one section we have a form. So select this section and you will see the style of this section. This is the background color. From here you can change the background color. Now this is the text, or you can see the title of the form. So when you click on any section of any part of this section, you will see this small edit option. if you want to make any changes to this particular section or a particular element, you can simply click on that pencil icon, and from here, from this left side, you can change the content of this title. So let's delete A. Let's make some changes. So get free code, and this is the text. So when you click on this small icon, you will see the text here. If you want, you can change it from here. So let's delete this one. I'm just making these changes so that you will see the changes are done. Okay, you will see it here. Okay, now this is the form. You can click on it. Now you will see this is the form. Okay, now where do you see this form? Let's go back to the dashboard, and here you will see the contact. We have already installed the contact form 7 plugin, so it has already created the form automatically. So from here you can change the form. You will see the name of the form, request form. The same form is here, request form. If you want to edit this form, you can go ahead and click on edit, and from here you can edit the contact form. I have a separate video on how to create contact form using contact form 7 plugin. You can check that video. Alright, so this is how you can change the contact form. So we are done with this section. Now move on to the next section. This is the title. Okay, this is the title. If you want to make any changes, you can simply make changes here. Let me see. Let's change it to Param Freelance, the name of the website. Okay, you will see the changes here. Now if you want to make changes to the color, you can simply go to the style of this section and change the color from here. You will see it here. You can change it to the predefined colors, or if you want, you can click on it and select from here. So I'll select one of the predefined, and you will see the change in the color. Okay, so this is how you can change the color of this section. This is actually an icon box, and this is the icon, this is the title, and this is the description. If you want to make any changes, you can make changes here. Okay, now this is the style of this particular section. This is the color for the icon. You will see it here, color icon, and content, the color. If you want to change the color of this title, you can change it from here. You will see the changes here. Okay, and this is the color for the description and the typography for the description. So if you want to change font or color of any particular section, you can change using this Elementor. So similarly, you can make changes to these two icons also. If you want the same changes on these two sections, you can simply click on it, copy it. Now select this one, right click on it and click on paste style. Okay, so it will use the same style of this selected icon. Okay, so you will see that the same color has changed on all of them. So you don't need to make changes individually. You can simply copy and paste the style on the other one. Okay, now this is the next section. Now I want to change the image here. So I can click on it and click on this image. If you want to change the image, what you will do, you will select this image, click on it, click on this icon, and then here you will see the image, click on it. Now you can upload the image, or you can select any image that is already installed and click on insert media. Now you will see that the image has been changed. Now if you want to make change to this title, you can change it from here. Simply click on that section and you will see the option to edit that section in this left hand panel. So from here you can change this element. Now this button, explore more, is the text. The color, if you want to change the colors, you can change the color from style. Now the background color is yellow. You can say that we have just clicked on it and it has taken the default color. I want to delete this section. I do not want this section, this particular section. Okay, now I don't want this section. So what you will do, you will select that section, the entire section, select. You will see this blue border around this section. I want to delete the entire section. So select it and click on this X icon and it will delete the entire section. If you want to add a new section, just below this and above this, then click on plus sign, and it will give you an option to add a new row. Okay, so from here you can add new elements or add new section. This is the style. You can add some padding here. Okay, and now if you want, you can add an image. Two sections here, one will be image and one will be text. So let's select image. So let's select image and we will select one of the images here. Let's try this one. Okay, now make it full. Style will be 100%, the width will be 100%, and here I'm going to add some title. This is the title, and I'll add some text here. Just add some more text. Okay, so this is the text. Now if I want to add some buttons, so you can simply select. You just need to click here and all the elements will show here. So click on this button and drag it and drop it here. Okay, so this is the button that we have added. Now I want to make it at the middle of this column, so select the property of column and vertical align, change it to middle, so it will all come to the middle. If you want to see it, you can simply click on it and it will come to the full width. So this is how the new added section will look like. If you want to change the background color of this section, you can simply go to settings and change the background color. Let's try this one. Let's make it something light. Now this is how the new section will look like. Alright, so this is how you can add new section to the page. Let's delete this one. So using Elementor, we can edit the page, we can remove, we can delete, or we can add some more content to the page. If you want to delete, simply delete this one. There are many elements that you can use from Elementor. You will see the list here. You can add gallery, form, slides, reviews, share buttons, everything. You can add YouTube videos also. Alright, now let's click on update. Once you make the changes, you can click on update. Now let's see the page. Go to view page. Alright, now you will see the changes that we made to this page. The background image has been changed. You can see the color has been changed. You see this image that we changed. So whichever section you want to remove, you can remove. If you want to add, you can add. Whatever you want to do, you can do it using the Elementor. That's the best plugin that I like. Now let's move on to the next page, that is About Us. Alright, so this is the page, the About Us page. That will be the information about your company. Now click on the option Edit with Elementor. Now here you will see the option to edit this page. So using Elementor, you can add section, you can remove section, and you can edit any part of this page using Elementor. So let's see, if you want to change this background, you can simply select this section, click on styles, then click on the image, and you can change the background from here. Let's change it to something different. Let's use this one. Alright, so the background has been changed. Okay, now if you want to change this text, you can change it from here, content from here. So this is similar to what we did on the previous page, the home page. You can edit or delete any section. Let me delete this one, and the entire section has been deleted. So you can see that I am deleting the sections of this template that I don't think is required on this page. If you want to change the image, you can simply click on this image and let's select another image. Let's select this one. Alright, so you can see that the image has been changed. You can change the name of the team member from here. You will see it here, the name, the designation, the bio is here. You can put some short bio here, name. Similarly, you can change the other members also. If you want to delete you can simply right click on this button and click on delete. It will get deleted. Okay, so this is the map. If you want to delete, you can simply click on this cross and it will get deleted. So after making changes, you can click on update. Now let's view the page. Now you will see the changes that we made to this page. Right now, let's move on to the services page. So this is the page where all the services are listed. So you will see different services are listed here. Total, I guess, 6 services are listed: planning and consulting, drafting, and site prep. Now here you will see they have given only one services page in the template. So I guess this is planning and consulting. You will see it here, and other service pages are not in the template. So we will need to create those pages manually. Okay, let me show you how does this work. So we are on the services page, and if you want to edit, you can click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so the services page is here and you can edit the services from here. All right, so here we have 6 services and we will need to add more services. Now if you want to change the name of the services, you can simply edit from here. So this is the name, this is the text, the short description, and this is the read more button. Okay, so from here you can delete any of the service, or if you want to edit or add more services, you can add here manually. So you can add the services manually here. So right now we have 6 services. So let's update this one or leave it as it is. Go to view page. So we have not made any changes to this page. Okay, now this is the single service page. Just open it, and I guess this is the page, planning and consulting. Okay, you will see this single service page is like this. Okay, now we need to create another service page. So we have 6 services and this is the second service. So we will need to create one more page for this service. So let's go back to here. Here you will see new, click on page. So we are going to add new page for new service. So one by one you will need to add more pages if you want to add more services. Now the name of the service, this is the name of the service. Copy it and paste it here. So it can be anything. So it will depend on what kind of services you provide. Okay, so this is the name of the service. Select Elementor full width. Click on publish. Okay, we have published it. Okay, now click on edit with Elementor. So this is the new service page that we are creating. Okay, now let me show you how to create the template for the new pages. So let's go to the planning and consulting page. Okay, now this is the template for this particular page. Now we are going to use the same template for the new service pages. So we are going to save this template. So go to edit with Elementor. Okay, now this is the template that we are going to use. So click on this option and click on save as template and name it as service page, single service page. Click on save. Okay, so this template has been created. Now close it. Now go back to this page. Click on add template. Now here you will see the template. Click on insert page, insert, then click on yes. Now you will see that entire template has been imported on this new page. Now we will need to make changes according to the new service. Okay, so this is the name it is showing. We will need to change it to the new service name. So this is the name of the service. So simply change the name. Okay, this is the title. Now here you will change the content of this page. So according to the service you can edit the page and click update. Okay, now click on view page. Now you can see that the new service page has been created. The new service, that is drafting and site prep. it is created, you can edit with Elementor. So here under menu, it shows only the first service. We will need to add this page also. So let's go to the dashboard, then go to appearance, then go to menus. Okay, you will see the page here. Click on it and click on add to menu. Here it is added. Just move it to here under services and click save menu. Okay, now let's go back here and refresh it. Now you will see the other service has been added. So one by one you can add new services to your website. So whenever you add new service, you can use the same service template and later edit the page according to the template. Now let's move on to the next page, that is work. Okay, you can see that this is the list of work that you have done. It's like a portfolio of your job, of your company. And you can also see one single page for the portfolio. You will see it here. For the other portfolio items, you will need to create pages manually. Just like the services, you will need to add pages for the other portfolio items. So let's see, we are on the work. Let's go to the single portfolio, open it in new tab. Okay, so this is the format of the single portfolio page. Okay, so we are going to use the same format for the new portfolio items. So let's go to edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is the template that we are going to use for the other portfolio items. So click on this icon and click on save as template and name it as portfolio single page. Click save. Okay, so the portfolio page. So this template has been saved. Go back to view page. Now we are going to add new portfolio item. Go to new, click on page, and we are going to create one for this one, ABC Bridge. So name it as add title ABC Bridge. Select Elementor full width, click publish. Now go to edit with Elementor. Now you will see the blank portfolio page with header and footer only. Click on this, add template, go to my template, click on portfolio single page, insert it, click yes. Now you will see the entire portfolio page is copied. Now you can make changes manually here using Elementor. Just change the name, and whatever changes you want to make, you can simply make changes to the page. Right, click update. After making changes, click update and go to view page. Okay, so you will see that new portfolio item is added. Let's add it to menu also. Go here to menu, refresh it. Now you will see that new item added here. Click on check it, click add to menu and move it under work, save. Okay, now let's go back and refresh it. Now you will see that the second portfolio item has been added. So one by one you can create pages for new portfolio items and use the same portfolio template for all the new portfolio items. Okay, so if you want, you can delete it from here using Elementor. Okay, now let's move on to the testimonials. Okay, so this is how the testimonial page looks like. Now let's click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are on this page using Elementor. Just like other pages, you can click on it, and if you want to change, you can edit. So this is the first testimonial. You can click on this pencil icon and you will see the entire section here for the testimonial. So this is the image, you will see it here. You can change it. So this is the name of the reviewer. It's the job title. Now you will see this title here, the testimonial title. This is the main testimonial, and this is the name, and this is the designation of the person. Alright, so if you want to add, you can add it here. Similarly, you can edit the second testimonial, the third testimonial, fourth testimonial. If you want to delete, you can delete them. So there are some plugins that you can use to create testimonials and add testimonials on your website. So that's not the part of this tutorial. That will be another video. All right. However, on this page you can make changes manually, and once you make changes, click on update. Okay, now let's move on to the next page, that is theme. This is also very similar to other pages. You can simply go to edit with Elementor, and you can manually change the names of the team members. You can change the images, and you can delete or add more team members to this page. Here is the Elementor for this page. Simply click on this image, change the image if you want. Let's try this one, and you will see the new images here. Here you can change the name, the designation, and if you want you can put some bio here, a short description. Similarly, you can change the other team member. Right now it shows 9 team members. Let me delete these 3 and click update. Now refresh it. Now you will see that there are only 6 team members. So this is how you can make changes to the team page. Now let's move on to the contact. We will check the blog later. Let's move on to the contact page. So this is how the contact page. Okay, now let's go to edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are on the contact page. Here you can change the contact title. Now this is the map here. You can select it, and you can change the address here. Let me try changing it to Pune, India. Now you can see that the map of Pune is here. So this is how you can change the map on the contact page. All right, now this is the contact form. This is the title for the contact form, and if you click on it, you will see the contact form that we saw on the home page also. Now from here you can make changes to the contact information. Now this is the background. You can, for this column, you can select this column, go to style, and you will see the background here. From here you can change the background. Now this is the title for the contact, and this is the icon list used for the contact details. If you click on it, you will see the list here. From here you can make changes. Let me change the address, and you will see the address change here. Okay, this is the phone number that I have given. Let's change it to something different. All right, so you can see that the changes are here. Okay, now this is the social icons. Here you will see the list of the icons, and from here you can change the icons. Let me try deleting this one. I am deleting LinkedIn, and if you want to add new, you can simply click on add item, and you will see the next item here. From here you can change the icon. Let's try YouTube, and select this one, insert it. Now you will see the YouTube icon here. So this is how you can change the social media icons on this contact page. Once done, click on update. Now refresh it. All right, so you will see the changes. This is the map, and you will see the icon, new icon here also. All right, now let's move on to blog. Now this is the blog page where all the blog posts will be listed. Now you can make changes to the layout of this blog page also. Let me show you how. Let's go to the customize, and here you will see the option blog page. Select it. Now let's go to blog page so that you will see it. You can see that currently this grid layout is selected. Okay, and you can also see that we have a sidebar here. It shows default, but the default one has a sidebar. So if you select this one, full width, no sidebar, and you will see the changes here. The sidebar has been removed. So let's change it to right sidebar. Okay, now here you will see number of posts per row. This is the row, and you will see 2 posts in this row. If you want to change it to 3, you can change it to 3. Now you will see 3 posts in a row. Okay, so this does not look good, so we will change it back to number 2. Okay, so 2 posts. Now let's check this one, the listing layout. If you select this one, you will see the changes to the layout of the blog page, and now you will see the image to the left and then the content to the right side of this image, and this is how it will look. So So this is how the blog page will look. Let's change it back to what it was before, grid layout. Okay, now let's see the section of this post. Now you will see the featured image. These are the elements of this post. Featured image is here, then the title, this title, then post meta, that is the date of publish and the category. The excerpt is the short description of the post. Now this divider is hidden. If you uncheck it, it will show the divider also. All right, you can see the divider also. So let's hide this divider. Okay, now you will see this read more button. Here is the read more button. If you want to make changes, you can simply click on this drop down and select button. If you want it to look like button, select button, and now you will see the button here. So let's change it back to simple. So you can play with the settings of this blog page and select the one that you look good for your blog page. All right, once done, you can click on publish and let's refresh it. Okay, we have not made any changes, so it will not show any difference. Now let's see the layout for the single blog post. So let's click on this single blog post. Okay, now here go back and go to this option, single post. Okay, now single post, you will see it here. Post meta is here, title is here, and the featured image is here. Now link, highlights and breadcrumbs are not shown on this page, and this is the actual blog post. Okay, now it shows the default full width. If you want right sidebar, you can select right sidebar and you will see the sidebar on this blog post. All right, so this is how you can set the sidebar on the blog post. Okay, so you can play with the settings and you will be able to make changes to the layout of the blog post. Now this layout is for the entire website, so all the blog posts will show the same layout. However, in this theme you can make changes to single blog post also. Publish this one with the right sidebar. Okay, now go to dashboard, go to blog post and open two blog posts. Now you will see both the blog posts have a right sidebar. Okay, now let's edit this one. Okay, so actually this is the actual blog post and using default template. Now here you can click on this Rishi page settings, and from here you can change the layout of this particular blog post. Okay, so right now it shows a right sidebar, so I'll change it to left sidebar and click update. Now view the post. Now here you will see the sidebar is shifted to left side, and here you will see the sidebar is on the right side. So this is how you can make changes to individual blog posts also using this Rishi theme. This option is very good. You can make changes to the layout of individual blog post as well as individual pages also. Alright, so the entire website is ready. So you can see that we have all the pages required for your website. You can edit pages, you can add more pages, or if you want you can delete the pages from the default theme. So we have not paid anything. We have used the free theme and free templates to create this entire website, and this one really looks very good for me. Using this theme you can use any template and you can create many websites. If you are a website designer, this is definitely a good theme for you. You can create website for any website listed there. Okay, now let's see the performance of this website. Okay, now I'm going to check the page speed of this website. First I'll use Google page speed inside, and I'll also use GTmetrix. Okay, I'll paste the URL of this website and let it analyze. Same thing with GTmetrix. Now you can see that the performance on page speed, Google page speed shows 46 for mobile, and for desktop it shows good 86. Okay, for GTmetrix it shows 72%. Okay, now let's go back to the dashboard of the website and then go to appearance, then go to Rishi theme. Now go to extensions. Now here you will see the option performance. Click on activate, and now click on configure. Okay, now we are on the configuration page of this performance. So we are on this page. Now here you will see images. It shows lazy load images. When we activate this lazy load images, image will be loaded only when you scroll through that page. Otherwise, it will not load the image. This will actually increase the speed of the page because it's not going to load the image, unnecessary image which is at the bottom of the page, and it will not slow down the page opening. So this one is good option. You add missing image dimension, so it will add the missing image dimension. Image dimension is here, so leave it as it is on the default settings. Now WordPress, you will see these options. I advise you to enable all these options and it will definitely improve the speed of your website. Now you can go through all these settings, you can check all the settings, play with the settings of this performance. Now you will see all these settings here. Remove emojis from front end, disable self pingbags, disable RSS feed, remove RSS feed links, disable WordPress embeds, local gravitas. So all these settings are enabled right now. Now this is CSS and JS. Now this one is remove a var parameter from CSS and JS file calls. Now these are the settings. By default these are on enabled. Fonts, display swap, load Google Fonts locally, Elementor, disable Google Fonts. Right now we are using Google Fonts, so leave it as it is. If you want to disable any of the option, you can disable these options. Otherwise you can keep on default settings. Let's change this one and click on publish. I'm just doing it so that we can see the changes there. We are going to retest the website for page speed insight and the GT metrics. So click on analyze again and retest on GT metrics. Performance on GT metrics definitely improved on GT metrics. You can see that it is on 98%. That's really good score. So after enabling the performance, you will see the difference between the page speed. You can see the changes to the page speed, Google page speed insight. For the mobile, it was on 46, I think, and now it is on 64. For the desktop, it is on 89. So there is definitely an improvement. The main issue is because of the initial server response time that is on my server. So it's not the issue with the website itself, it's the issue with the server, the hosting server. Otherwise the speed is improved when we activated the extension, this extension, performance extension. So this is how you can play with the settings of this theme, and I really like this theme. It has many templates that you can use and create different websites for different businesses. If you are a website designer, this theme is going to help you. And if you want additional features, you can definitely go for the pro account of this theme. I'll give you the link in the description box, and if you do not want the pro version, you can simply go to the free version and start creating a website using the free theme and free template. I really hope that this video will help you design website for different businesses using the free Rishi theme. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.